use of this and that. ये और वो का इस्तेमाल. Dear kids, प्यारे बच्चों, now we learn to use this and that. अब हम ये और वो का इस्तेमाल सीखते हैं. This and that are singular. ये और वो वाहिद हैं. We use this for thing which is near to us. ये का इस्तेमाल हम करीब की चीज के लिए करते हैं. We use that for thing which is far from us. वो का इस्तेमाल हम दूर की चीज के लिए करते हैं. This is a ball. ये एक गेंद है. This is a ball. This is a ball. That is a bat. वो एक बल्ला है. That is a bat. That is a bat. This is a hen. ये एक मुर्गी है. This is a hen. This is a hen. That is a cat. वो एक बिल्ली है. That is a cat. That is a cat. This is a glass. ये एक ग्लास है. This is a glass. This is a glass. That is a jug. वो एक जग है. That is a jug. That is a jug. This is an apple. ये एक सेब है. This is an apple. This is an apple. That is an umbrella. वो एक छतरी है. That is an umbrella. That is an umbrella. This is a mango. ये एक आम है. This is a mango. This is a mango. That is an orange. वो एक माल्टा है. That is an orange. That is an orange.